Think about it. When you have a job, you've essentially given control of your most valuable asset, your time and your income stream, to someone else. Strategic for them, devastating for me. In an instant, my primary source of income was gone. The security I thought I had was just an illusion. Comes from creating multiple streams of income so that if one dries up, you have others to rely on. So what can you do? The first step is a mindset shift. Stop thinking like an employee and start thinking like an entrepreneur. Your job isn't your life, it's a client. It's one of your income streams, but it shouldn't be the only one. Start looking for ways to build other streams on the side. This doesn't mean you have to invent the next big thing or build a massive company. It can be small. You can start with your existing skills. Are you great at writing? Offer freelance writing services? Are you an expert in Excel? Create a short online course teaching others? Do you love baking? Maybe start selling your creations at a local market on weekends? The internet has made it easier than ever to monetize your skills and passions. You can drive for a rideshare service, manage social media for small businesses, sell crafts on Etsy, or even start a YouTube channel like this one. The key is to start small and be consistent. Don't quit your job. Use the stability and income from your job to fund and build your side projects. Dedicate just 5 to 10 hours a week to your new venture. Think of it as investing in your own security. Over time, that small side hustle can grow. Maybe it just provides a nice little cushion every month. Maybe it grows enough to cover your mortgage. Or maybe, just maybe, it grows so big that one day you can walk into your boss's office and confidently say, "I'm moving on to my own projects." That's the ultimate freedom. It's the power to choose.